chocolate oats and fruit juice is our usual breakfast. So light that it makes you hungry before noon. That is why we need to have brunch recipes instead of lunch. This is our health story and the reason why we started cooking healthy recipes. We both had 10 years of high cholesterol. Since 2011, it went up and never went down. Every year, our blood test result shows our cholesterol on the high side. It never goes below the recommended levels. After a decade of inconsistent effort, this day we made big plans to change our diet. Starting with removing all snack foods, no more meats, no more shrimp, no more pastries, no more cakes, and increasing our morning exercise. Our breakfast is usually fruit juice drink made from blended mixed creamy banana, ripe papaya, and juicy watermelon. Another one of our favorite low cholesterol morning drink is a cup of chocolate oats. This smooth and silky oat chocolate drink will guarantee to win the hearts of those who hate oats. It's like drinking chocolate fudgy brownie. To cut down sugar, you can use artificial sweetener. You can also use honey, which will give this oat chocolate drink an even better taste. Nowadays, we create more brunch recipes than lunch because our light breakfast makes us hungry before noontime. This is stir-fried chicken mushroom. Our second easy stir fry is broccoli cherry tomato. This is the start of our new low cholesterol diet and many more healthy lunch recipes to come. Subscribe to our channel.
See you next week.
Thanks for watching.